Hello all of you. Today we are going to talk about rock cycle. So rock cycle is a process which is always going on. We know that in previous classes we have studied, we have primary rocks, right? We have secondary rocks, primary rocks are actually igneous rocks, and then we have sedimentary rocks, and another type of secondary rocks are metamorphic rocks. So basically we have three types of rocks. We have igneous rocks, we have sedimentary rocks, and we have metamorphic rocks, right? Now we will discuss they are, they do not remain in their own form. They undergo many changes, they transform themselves. So how do they transform and how do they convert in other type of rock? That actually makes possible rock cycle. Right? So let's see how does this happen. Friends, you know that magma comes out from volcanoes, right? And then it becomes igneous rocks. So suppose we have volcano here and magma is coming out, right? So when magma comes out, we have primary rocks, or you can say igneous rocks, right? Igneous rocks are there, and sometimes what happens, these igneous rocks are converted into fragments, small particles, and these particles are transported to some other place, okay, and there lithification happens, or you can say these fragments are deposited at some place. So deposition of sediments or fragments take place. Then we have sedimentary rocks, right? Sedimentary rocks, different layers of sediments are there, they are deposited over one another and sediment rocks are formed. So this happens, right? Sedimentary rocks. So we have understood now how igneous rocks are converted into sediment rocks, right? This process is going on. Now what happens, because for a long period of time these rocks remain there, so they change their form because of pressure, because of volume, and because of temperature. Because of PVT, pressure, volume and temperature, igneous rocks become metamorphic rocks, right? They become metamorphic rocks. Okay? Metamorphic. Morph means change. They change their form and they become metamorphic rocks. And these sedimentary rocks also undergo many changes due to pressure, volume and temperature, and they also become metamorphic rocks, right? Morph happens, change happens, and igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks become metamorphic rocks. Now we have already discussed igneous rocks are converted into fragments and they become sedimentary. In the same manner, sometimes sedimentary rocks also convert into fragments, and process of deposition of sediments and transportation of sediments and that deposition of sediments or fragments takes place, and sedimentary rocks also become sedimentary rocks. So igneous rocks become sedimentary rocks become sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks also become sedimentary rocks. They also sometimes are converted into fragments, they are broken into smaller particles, and they are transported to some place, and they are deposited in the form of layers over one another. That is why these sedimentary rocks are also known as layered rocks or stratified rocks. So we have understood this happens. Now we know that plates are moving, and in their subduction zone they again are going back in the earth, and then process of melting takes place, and then again molten lava comes in the form molten magma comes in the form of through volcano comes in the form of lava, and it becomes igneous rocks. So igneous rocks can again become magma, sedimentary rocks can become magma, metamorphic rocks can become magma, and process of formation of igneous rocks starts. So this is actually rock cycle, right? Rocks are undergoing many changes, they transform themselves. We have discussed igneous rocks become igneous rocks again, igneous rocks become sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks become metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks become sedimentary rocks again, sedimentary rocks become metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks become magma, and then they become igneous rocks again. In the same manner, metamorphic rocks become sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic they become magma, and they become igneous rocks again. So this is actually rock cycle, and it is always going on because rocks change their form with the passage of time. Okay,